Welcome to PureCars. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch a brief overview of how PureCars can help you maximize your digital strategy. The mission of PureCars is to provide relevant information to improve the car buying experience. And because of this, we do business with thousands of dealers nationwide, and over 6 million consumers interact with our technology every month. And the driving reason behind the growth of PureCars is our ability to help dealers provide relevant information to consumers in the most important time in their shopping process. Let me explain what I'm talking about. When you read the book Zemont that Google wrote, it focuses on consumer shopping behavior. Google says that zero moment of truth is that moment when you grab your laptop, mobile phone, or some other wired device and start learning about a product or service you're thinking about trying or buying. I'm sure you know what I mean. You probably do web searches like this every day. Their study found that automotive shoppers require on average 18.2 sources of information before they make a decision to buy, and that 97% of consumers are influenced by the information they find at that zero moment of truth. Look at this. Look at the information and the way it is displayed. Do you see the difference? Which one of these is the better deal? The one on the left or the one on the right? You see, we at PureCars have developed proprietary technology that takes all the data that you send to everyone else, and we make something more from it. We've mastered how to understand the rank of options. So the question is, do you display all the key information to win this customer over? Or as we like to say, win the click? Here's what I'm talking about. When you look at a dealership's website before PureCars and you're on the vehicle details page, this is what it looks like. A long string of options, most of the time in alphabetical order. Do you really think a customer takes time to look at all that? Studies show that when there's a list of a lot of information, customers bounce to something else. You see, in our age of information, society has transformed people not to read, but to scan for relevant information. Now look at a PureCars customer's website. Notice how this pops out at you and provides relevant information immediately for the customer. Now this is the main reason to have PureCars. Our multi-value highlight image is powered by the PureCars Value Report, and it provides all the information to differentiate your vehicle from the others they have looked at, and they don't have to interact with it. When you look at all the other technologies out there, you have to click on their icon. When you look at PureCars technology, it's sitting right there displaying all the information and requires no interaction from the consumer. Now, for those that want more detailed information, this is a live link to our value report. Once they click on this multi-value highlight image, they'll be taken right to the value report. This is the first page of the value report. We highlight the number one thing we feel is the most important to the customer. In this particular example, it is priced $1,083 below the market average. But don't worry, if you're not priced below the market average, we'll highlight the next most important thing. In this case, it would be that it was a certified vehicle. We will never show your vehicle in a negative light. Next, we feature 6 additional value-added highlights. Now below this, in the vehicle highlights section, is where we showcase the reconditioning that you have done to this since you've had it in inventory, as well as any key value-added equipment. On to the vehicle history. Now if you use Carfax, we have a strategic partnership with them, but don't worry, if you use AutoCheck, we have integration with them as well. Now that we have the vehicle's history, we focus on the report's main highlights. The second page is where we show the competitive set of vehicles for sale in your market. Notice how we highlight the price and mileage differences as well as the missing value indicators, or what the competitors' vehicles don't have that yours do have. We also show the same information on vehicles that have sold in your market. Now after that is the vehicle details page, or a mini brochure on this vehicle. Moving on to the last page, we highlight the dealer details. Address to the dealership, hours of operation, a map to your dealership, directions, etc. As well as the dealer highlights, specific things that set you apart from everyone else. And finally, dealer reviews. We have full integration with DealerRater, but if you don't use DealerRater, we can put testimonials from your customers here via our dealer admin page. And the final piece is, once someone clicks on this value report, we follow them and retarget them for 60 days with either vehicle-specific ads with its key value highlights, or if that particular vehicle was sold, we serve up a similar vehicle in your inventory, keeping your name in front of them for 60 days. Now if they click on any of these ads, they'll be directed to a vehicle-specific landing page with call to actions and a link back to your website. So let me recap and ask you a final question based on the information you just heard. How will PureCars Value Reports help you? You see, it allows that customer that is on your website to scan and see all those things that are relevant to building value in your vehicle, like what recon you've done to the car since you've had it. It's also a great report to send to email leads or have a phone handler speak intelligently about a vehicle, especially those that are not your brand. And finally, it's a great showroom tool to justify your price and helps your salespeople focus on building value versus focusing strictly on price. First and most important is that all these reports are fully automated. Your people don't have to do any additional work to get all this information on the value report. Now that you see the value and how this will benefit your store both online and in the showroom, how much do you think the product costs? $1,000 a month? Nope. Try again. $800 a month? Nope. It's only $399.95 per month per rooftop with a 60-day money-back guarantee. There's a one-time installation fee for the data integration as well as a dedicated performance manager that will help you maximize your digital strategy. And if you'd like point-of-sale material, we have that available as well. Okay, so there are several things I didn't mention that are also included in the value report, and they're fully automated. First is window stickers. We take all that same value building information from the value report, including recon, and put it right there on the window sticker of the car. Next, all the call to actions integrate into your CRM. Also, we can set it up to where every time you receive a used car lead from any source, we can send an autoresponder with a value report on the specific vehicle they inquired about. And finally are cut and paste smart comments. Smart comments are automated comments that are completely dynamic and customizable. They change as your inventory ages, the prices change, and recon gets added. They include the same value building information as the value report, including recon, just in comment form. Now look at this comparison to the average type of comments a dealership writes versus a smart comment. Which one do you think will help you win the click? This one, with just generic information, or this one with vehicle-specific value-building information, including the recon? Now once we set them up for you, you'll never have to mess with it again. With the value reports, you'll have to cut and paste comments into your system where you currently put your comments now. We do offer them fully automated, which a lot of our customers like, and it's only a couple hundred more a month. Once fully automated, you or your people will just set it and forget it. You never have to worry about comments again. They're on your vehicle from day one, and they dynamically change in real time. Please give us a call at 877-860-7873 or email us at sales@purecars.com. We would be glad to schedule a convenient time to give you a full presentation as to the additional features of this product, or just contact the person that emailed it to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.